Bam. So the transformation to becoming a YouTube legend is happening slowly but surely. So today I want to talk with you guys on my preparation for the day. Today's 18th of July. It's currently 7:51 London time, and I'm preparing for the trading session. So what I usually do, I like to start with gold. We see a clear trading range here on gold. Although because it's at the all-time highs, as I mentioned in my previous videos, I don't think I would be focusing too much on it, because it's going to renew the previous day high and there is no liquidity on top whatsoever, as we can see. So not going to be my priority today. The next instrument I'm looking at is the dollar yen. Here we could see a couple of interesting points which I'm going to be looking at. So I would be really much interested in renewing this liquidity. I would be really much interested in looking at what happens after the price arrives here, and this point would be a much of interest for me, this swing high. So I'm going to be looking closely at Japanese yen today. Then I typically move to euro dollar, and I see that we've got some news today for it, the European Central Bank conference at 1 p.m. So because the price here is now also in the local range, sort of, right, like this one, I'm gonna be very much interested in price approaching this liquidity, renewing it, and maybe having sort of a correction from here to somewhere there. I would be very much interested in opening a long from these area to get somewhere to here. But if we're gonna arrive to the news, of course I'm not gonna be trading, I'm never trading the news. So this liquidity is very much interesting. This is not so interesting to me, rather this previous day high, of course. And finally I'm looking at the S&P 500, but I usually trade it only on New York session. So for now there's not much areas of interest that I see, only the previous day low, the beautiful back of liquidity here. If the price arrives here, I usually set up the alert and wait till the price comes. So let's wait for the opportunities.